Hey guys, so today we're going to go through unit pricing, or otherwise known as Best Buy, as part of rates and ratios. So what is unit pricing or Best Buy? Well, when we go to the supermarket or we go to buy something, normally we need to compare different size items to see which one is the best buy. For example, is it better to buy two 500-gram packets of the same item, or is it cheaper for us to buy the 1 kilo? And that's where we compare by going down to a unitary method. Let's look at the example we have here. So tomato sauce comes in two sizes. Either you can buy 500 mils for $2.65, or you can buy the 1.2 litre for $6.90. The question is asking which one is a better value. So for the first example, we have it in 500 mils. I need to convert them both into per 100 mil prices in order to figure out which one is the best buy. So for the first one, what I need to do is I need to divide both by 5 to figure out what is the per 100 mil price. So if I divide this side by 5, it makes it 100 mils, but to make it equivalent, I need to divide the other side by 5 as well. So for the 500 mil, it's 53 cents per 100 mils. Now I'll do the same thing for the 1.2 litre. 1.2 litres is actually 1,200 millilitres. So if I want to convert this to per 100, again, I'm going to divide both sides by 12. And I get that the 1.2 litre is approximately 58 cents per 100 mils if I round that off to the nearest cent. So which one's a better buy? Well, option A is a better buy because you're getting it cheaper per 100 mils. So therefore, the 500 millilitres for $2.65 is the better buy. I've got 3 quick questions here for you guys to do. Pause the video, do the questions, and then come back and check your answers. Okay guys, there's your recommended answers. Hopefully you got them all right. Till next time, take care.